Every year, thousands of workers are injured by unguarded machinery injuries that are painful, preventable, and sometimes even fatal. According to OSHA, inadequate machine guarding remains one of the top 10 most cited violations in the workplace. Now ask yourself, are your machines truly safe? At OSHA Online Center, we've developed the Machine Guarding Parts 1 and 2 online course, a comprehensive training that walks you through the real dangers of unguarded machines and teaches you how to stay protected. Part 1 focuses on hazard recognition, identifying danger zones, hazardous movements, and points of operation. Part 2 dives into precautionary strategies including fixed guards, interlocks, safeguarding methods, and OSHA-compliant practices. This is not just theory, it's actionable knowledge that helps prevent crushing, cutting, or amputation injuries caused by moving parts, flying debris, or even unexpected startups. This self-paced, 27-minute course is perfect for machine operators, safety managers, and maintenance workers. Whether you work with conveyors, presses, grinders, or saws, this course will give you the tools to protect yourself and your team. Once completed, you'll receive your machine guarding certificate, showing your commitment to safety and compliance. So don't wait for an accident to happen. Be proactive, be trained, and be compliant. Click the link in the description below to enroll now. Start your training today with OSHA Online Center and become a certified safety-conscious professional in just under 30 minutes. Your safety is worth it.